The netted dishcloth is a must in the kitchen. Lasts for years and you can use any dishwashing liquid. Simply wash well by hand after each use and hang to dry. No more stinky sponges that harbor bacteria. Everything rinses off much easier with the dishcloth, so I always do the dirty work with it first and then our microfiber cloths to make it streak-free. These go together like peanut butter and jelly. This is a step that not everybody does, but trust me, you'll be thanking me later when it comes time to clean your microfibers.
I never even dropped it. The lid just came off of it.
Oh,
And
okay.
it's all over my feet. But it's splattered everywhere.
No worries, we have Norwex. Ta-da! You guys, UPP laundry detergent is seriously the best multi-purpose cleaner. I even clean my toilet with it. So now we go back and pick up all this. Like this. I'm not going to do the whole thing, but as you guys can see, Bob, can you show the before?
You've already cleaned this side.
I've already cleaned the side, and feel that.
Yes.
Squeaky clean, right? So I use my dishcloth damp with water only, and then use the EnviroCloth. When it's really caked on, you may need to wait longer after spraying UPP, and you may need something with a little more scrubbing power like our stainless steel ball called the Spear Net. Now check out my very own before and after pictures and testimonies. They're amazing. If you can, soak your items instead of spraying. You could even soak your diamond ring. Now look at that, it's practically brand new. UPP is 100% free and clear. It's the best for your microfibers, your clothes, and your skin. Now here's my daughter Allison.
Every time I have to brush my teeth over these sinks, I've been gagging because it smells like someone's been taking a big fat poo in the sink.
And you kept on blaming Dad?
And I was like, someone's taking poos in the sink because it smells so bad. Oh! It's good! I'm impressed!
It even unclogged my slow drain. All you need is a tiny bit. Sometimes you may need cleaning paste for jobs like this. So dab a little bit of cleaning paste with a damp EnviroCloth. And then you gotta make sure that the cleaning paste is completely off. So turn it around to a clean side and do it one more time. And then go over with a dry window cloth. After this initial deep clean, you can simply clean with just water next time. Now, who writes on their bathroom countertop with a Sharpie except a crazy Norwex lady like me? All you need is a little dab and it's all gone. I opened this in 2016, so a little goes a long way. With this, I also had to use a Spear Net with it. Damp EnviroCloth and then dry window cloth. Cleaning paste also polishes chrome, scuff marks, lawn furniture, campers, and boats. It removes burn marks from pots, pans, and hundreds more. Just make sure you test on an inconspicuous place first. Now another handy item to have is a Speary sponge, which is non-scratching and has a little more power than an EnviroCloth or dishcloth. It removes sticky residue or those annoying price tags.